Once, we were part of great Caesar's tribe, but then soldiers came. Many apes died, and we fled. Led by father, we crossed rivers and mountains, walked for many moons. Until we found this mountain, this home, our sanctuary. Somewhere we could live in peace. But now winter is coming, and there is no more food here. Apes are starving. We must find food somewhere soon. Yes, brother. Think before you speak.
Tom Ross. He was a good leader of this town, a fair leader. Some of us didn't always agree with him, but when things got bad, he led us all. Now his wife, Jess, has agreed to carry his work on. Let us hope God is with her, and us. Laid low by illness, but a fighter till the end. Rest easy, friend.
Yeah. I always thought Tom would outlive all of us.
Difficult days ahead. For you, and for all of us. You're gonna be okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Maria.
Jess, this loss, it's not just yours.
No. I know. People like Tom.
He was a strong leader. It's what Millerton needed. It's what this town needs now. Winter is coming. Someone's gonna have to make some tough decisions. You really think that's you?
Are you saying that's you?
Well, the people here, they know me, Jess. They trust me. Do you really know what we got in store for winter? Whether we're prepared or not?
Sure. I know we have to work together.
There are hard days ahead, Jess.
I get it. Cold, snow, food in short supply. Mark. Please stop.
You giving me orders? Now you're in charge?
I didn't ask for this job. Listen. Your dad's gone. But we have to try to move on.
Move on. Dad died 3 seconds ago, so we just stick him in the ground, say a bunch of words, and act like it never happened?
What am I supposed to do?
Hey, you're the new leader now. So go lead.
My sons, Tola, Ren, Juno. The first snow has fallen. The tribe is hungry, scared. We must show them we are strong. Tola, you will lead the hunt tonight, and take Bryn. And Juno. Tribe see brothers strong together.
Yes, Father. I will follow Tola. We have guns, like humans. We can kill too.
Enough! You will do as I say. Hunt together. Bring food for tribe.
Yes. Human should fear ape. Juno is no good for this. What is Juno good for?
My sons will hunt together.
Yes, you can see, huh? It's not enough.
You're right, it's not.
It's a big problem.
So what are we gonna do?
Ha! That is a big question. I wish I had a good goddamn answer.
What do you think?
No easy answers. And are you gonna tell people what the hell we're facing?
Everyone's gonna have to know. Not for now, but soon.
I'd be careful with that one. People get scared. Anything can happen.
Jess! Come take a look.
Riders, 2 of them.
This doesn't look good.
You in a hurry to start a fight?
Who are you?
Well, I guess you could see my friend here's hurt bad. And who do I have the pleasure of addressing?
What do you want?
Straight to business, okay. Well, I'm Jacob Willits. And my wounded friend here, that's Oswald Reeves.
Yeah. Hunting accident. He's hurting bad.
Jess Ross. I'm in charge here.
Yeah, I gathered that. So you think you might be able to help us?
What did you have in mind, Mr. Willits?
Well, I'd like to tend to my friend's wounds. Get a roof over our heads a few nights, some water, feed for our horses. Maybe do some work for you in exchange?
What are you doing out here?
We're just drifters, Miss Ross, trying to stay alive.
We don't get many strangers.
What the hell brought you to Millerton?
Things got bad out there, you know. Hunger, disease, and dying. There's a lot of scared people. People who want what somebody else has.
And we're a lot better off. On our own.
You all right?
Yeah. I think so.
What do you say, Jess?
I don't like the looks of these guys. We haven't got food to spare.
Wait a minute. That man's hurt. And you want us to turn our backs on them.
I don't want to take the risk. They look like trouble.
Come on, Jess. Get them in now.
Can't let you in!
Jess!
I can't take any chances.
Don't leave a man to bleed out in the dirt. I won't let you do it.
Maria, this is on you.
Home sweet home.
Today, Juno, Hans.
Yes, Clarence. I know. I will do my best.
No. Forget him. Tonight, we hunt on the plains. Tonight, we bring food for the tribe!